Well, we're giving you a look inside the action going on in our state government. It is part of our partnership with Arizona Capital Times newspaper. And right now we want to take a closer look at our immigration law that goes before the U.S. Supreme Court today. Christian Palmer is joining us live. Christian, good morning. Nice to see you.
Good morning, Connie.
Well, so set this up for us, because there are a couple of states along with Arizona that they'll be looking at. And what are they focused on with this?
Well, today the major news is that the Supreme Court can decide whether it will hear Arizona's challenge to a preliminary injunction that's been placed on the major elements of Arizona's immigration law, SB1070. As you mentioned, a lot of other states, Alabama, Florida, Utah, are considering SB1070 type laws, or have passed SB1070 type laws. So today we'll get a good indication whether the Supreme Court's interested in hearing these issues.
Sometimes with this it can take a while. Do we expect to have some type of a decision by later today?
You could probably expect a decision on the topic of jurisdiction, whether the U.S. Supreme Court will indeed hear this challenge to the injunction. If the court does, they'll schedule it for their upcoming session, which will be beginning in early January. Or if they don't decide to accept it, you'll see Arizona officials go back to the federal court here and try to argue the case on the merits.
All right, and so we'll see how these rulings today and whether or not this preliminary injunction goes forward, what will happen with SB1070 and how it could change here in our state. Christian, thanks. We appreciate it. Nice to see you. A reminder that Christian's blog is on abc15.com right now. You can click on top stories right there to find out more information.